big mountain behind, like behind whatever.
Oh, I think that's Mount Rainier.
That's Mount Rainier?
Yeah.
Wow. Apparently, all of these tulips are grown locally. I thought you could only go to tulip farms in places like Holland.
With lavender, rose, and also hibiscus.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
I
so very
see.
floral. Yes, it kind of is good with like a white wine sauce or a cream sauce. We do also have just like a lavender fettuccine, so it'll be a little less floral, but still have that nice like kind of earthy floral taste a little bit.
Have to go, ship it anywhere, folks.
Those fish are massive. So they're just handing out these great big bags of different types of smoked salmon for free to people. And it's amazingly delicious.
It's very good.
Okay, I can't believe this street. This place is, the whole place is called Pike's, right?
Pike Place Market.
Pike Place Market is where we've been this whole time. This is the gum wall, where people stick all of their colored gum, and it's hanging like icicles in the windowsill. I mean, on the window ledge. I actually love this. It's so creative, the way people made the gum stretch and hang on the ledges. People are awesome. This is a Mother's Day tulip from Devon.
Yeah, that's like one of Concord grapes, kind of. Yeah. Try one of these green guys. These are crazy good. I need an extra crunchy one.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
That is a big grape.
They're really crunchy too.
People waiting to get into the very first Starbucks.
I think that's the end product down there. This is what we were walking into, and then I'm like, oh, it's this place.
They're serious. Wow, I feel like I'm at Willy Wonka's or something. Willy Wonka's coffee.
Going up and you're into Italian roast.
I see.
Keep going up and you're into French roast.
I see.
Keep going up and you better run out the door because your coffee's now on fire. But that's essentially it. That first pop of dark roast, like that's the introduction of it. And then as you keep going up in temperature, you're going to be caramelizing more of those oils, right? Breaking down the cellulose of the bean. Just think about toasting bread to a 10.
Right.
When you pull it out, there's almost nothing left. It breaks down, no moisture in it, and it tastes like toast.
Right.
But you wouldn't be able to tell as to whether you had white bread, wheat bread, or sourdough at that point, because once you get up to that level, you've eliminated the taste of the bread and introduced the taste of toast. That's French roast.
Right.
Once you get up into French roast, that's bread out of your toaster at 11. You're tasting the roast.
Yeah.
Okay? And it's delicious. Bittersweet chocolate, caramel, smoke are all going to come out in that area.
This thing is huge. That's the Space Needle, the Seattle Space Needle up there. Right across, like next door to this big freaky thing. Which I'm totally amused with, and I love it. Oh man, this is gorgeous. It's so iridescent and metallic. It's just. So these are some photos of Chihuly hand-blown glass, and the artist has become known worldwide.
Now this is in the all the way back to the back piece, but it's open in the middle. Michael Pront would absolutely love the weather here. It's kind
kind of chilly and brisk. Look at the light shimmer off of that. It's so much more spectacular in real life though, because in the video it looks like a white shimmer, but in real life it's a vivid hot pink shimmer and it moves, but it's not moving in the video. Look at the difference, Nate. I mean, Devin, sorry about that. I just talked to Nate on the phone. Look at the, you know, how that's reflecting in the water. Now look at the shine.
Yeah.
In real life it's pink,
Yeah.
but in this it's white. Having French fries and fish and clam chowder. And here are some photos of Snoqualmie Falls. The foliage in Seattle is breathtaking. It's green and there are amazing flowers everywhere. Here's Devin eyeing some cake. Hello, little wild bunny. Hi.